Kaya ayun guys, ngayon pa lang, thank you so much for all the support that you've given us and the Chambermaids Daughter. We really hope that you will love it. We had so much fun shooting it and we're so excited. Sana talagang mapasaya kayo kasi it's a rom-com. So I hope for a moment makalimutan yung problema nyo. Tapos mag-enjoy lang talaga kayo. You get lost in the sauce, you know? So, of course, we're also asking for your support. And ngayon pa lang, thank you na sa mga magpo-post ng mga edits and stuff. Lahat yun is big help. But always remember na mapapanood nyo lang po ang The Chambermaids Daughter sa iPhone. Exclusively on iPhone. So, subscribe now to watch all the episodes. Pero ngayong 12 midnight, you can watch the first 5 episodes for free. Yes, you heard that right. For free. Yes. So, ayun guys, thank you! Hello! Thank you guys, mag-ready na kami na manood. We're so excited. Habang nanonood po kayo, please don't forget to tag us, your opinions, your thoughts, sa X, use the hashtag The Chambermaids Daughter. Mag-check kami later. So ayun, you wanna say something?
Yeah, spread the word guys. We had fun. Like this, yung journey na to, mabilis lang. Pero sobrang memorable. Kasi yeah, it's a unique experience. Tsaka, yan, spread the word nyo sa lahat ng social media apps. Word of mouth, lahat.
Okay guys, bye-bye. Bye-bye. Thank you guys for watching. Bye!